So grade 7 girls, if you're not doing the homework, if you don't practice, it's waste for me to explain. You will never learn this because it's not grade 4 or grade 3, it's grade 7. It's very tough, you know very well. Please, please take up and practice the classwork as well as homework in the copybook. We used to fill up, imagine, you know, those 60 pages book, what you get from the maktaba, the copybooks. I remember we used to fill up the books by doing one question, maybe 7 to 10 times. One question, so that we be perfect the next day with the teacher. This is how we learn math, and later, this is how you go for your graduation and you get good marks. And then you can become a doctor or an engineer or something. And honestly speaking, even if you're not planning to become anything and you want to become a housewife, even that you need to study. And before the quizzes, anyways, let me do this question number 14 for you first. I will take the white screen and I'll explain you this question there. Okay. So what is the question? You are running a fuel economy study. You want to find out which car can travel a greater distance. First of all, they are asking you about the blue car. When they ask you about the blue car, per gallon. Okay. First of all, 1.5 gallons of a gas can ride 35.5 miles. 1.5 gallons. Girls, I will go for the white screen. Please help me out. Tell me, yeah. What is it, girls? Help me out with the question. First is blue car. I'll just write blue, B. Yeah, 1.5 gallons. This is gallon, okay? This is gallons of what? Gas, right? Yeah, gas. Will take how many mileage?
25.5 miles.
25.5 miles. Okay. So A is, what is the gas mileage in miles per gallon? This is 1.5 gallon, this much. So per gallon is 1 gallon, how much?
Miss, it's 35.
1 gallon, it is? What is 35?
The miles, it's
This one?
35.
Is
Yeah.
35? Okay. So 1 gallon, of course, I need to divide 35.5
No.
by 1.5. Okay. You can also do like that, 35.5 over 1.5. So of course the point remove, it's 355 divided by 15. All right. 15 to the 30. 15. 3s, let us try 15 3s. 45. We can take that. 15 3s. 15 times 3, 45. And then I get 10. So what's your answer? 23. 10 over 15. Can I take 10 over 15? No, I need to simplify. 5 times 2, 5 times 3. So your answer is 23, 2 by 3. Now, girls, whenever you see the question mark, take that first. This divided by this. I did not take 1.5 over 335. I took 35. Why? Because the question mark was here. Okay? Like your question will be, teacher, why didn't I divide this by this? because question mark is to this number. What is tough in this? From the first day I'm saying you divide. When you're finding a 1 gallon, you will divide this. Open this simple way. Even if you like, you can do the other way. Like example, you can multiply this. You get a number plus this by any number. You can open the fraction. Choose the easiest way to do it. Now,
Okay.
the blue car. Next, I have for the silver car. Did you copy all this?
Yes.
Yes.
Dishan, what's your name? The other one.
Yes, miss.
Now, let us start with the silver car. Silver car. No. Okay, what is the number of girls for silver car? How many gallons and how many miles? Silver car, how many gallons and how many miles?
4 or 5 gallons of gas.
I will see the picture. 4 over 5 and 27, 1 over 5. 4 over 5 and 27, 1 over 5. 4 over 5 gallons. How much? Tell me, girls, what is it?
27
27,
miles.
27, 1 over 5, right?
Yes.
So this is miles and this is gas. And what is the question they asked? Or gallon. This is the gallon. I can say this is it. What is the question asked, B?
What is the gas mileage in miles per gallon for the silver car?
For each gallon? What did they ask? For each mile or for each gallon?
In miles per gallon.
Per gallon. That means for 1 gallon, how much? 1 gallon, how much? What did I say? Where you see the question mark, write that first.
Divide.
Then 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 5. Okay. 27 times 5. 35. 136 over 5. You all know very well, I taught you that 136 over 5, write down. This division become multiplication and flip it. Am I correct?
Yes.
You have, what is left? You have 136 over 4. So let us divide. So that means your answer is 34. Your answer is 34 miles.
Per gallon.
I think you all are doing mistake in the calculation. Understood?
Yes.
After this, I need to start with a new lesson. If you finish this, please let me know. Everyone, you have your copybook, right?
Yes.
Zishan, do you have a copybook? Math copybook where you're writing all this?
Yes.
How about Miral?
Yes.
Great. Can I erase it?
No. No, Miss Sweet.
Okay, done.
Wait, stand erase. Okay, you can erase.
All right, so I will start with the new lesson. That is 2.3. Understand proportional relationship equivalent ratios. Are you all preparing for your test?
Yeah. I'm preparing at Tuesday because Tuesday is like there is no exams and yeah.
Inshallah, good luck, girls. So everyone, please turn to page number 97. I think 98, everyone. Please turn to page number 98. Girls, ratio means what? Ratio means simple, you are dividing it. Ratio means simply you are dividing it. Look at this question. Miles records the time it takes to download a variety of file type. How is the downloaded time related to the file size? Nothing. You need to divide it. Downloaded time and file size. If you divide that, you will get the type of document like. The ratios for each pair of data are equivalent. All of the data are equivalent, the ratio. So that's why the file size are proportional. You know the meaning of equivalent, girls? That means they are same, equal. Equivalent means equal. They are equal. So the downloaded time and the file size are proportional. That's why they are proportional. Coming to that, I will do 25 over 1.25. Downloaded time over 5 size. Of course, downloaded time will be numerator because it is given here. See, it is given in the here in the numerator's downloaded time. What is the downloaded time? 25. What is the file size? 1.25. When you divide that, girls, always choose the simple method. I'm sorry. Always choose a simple method. Wait a minute. Yes, I was saying, always choose a simple method to divide them so that to avoid the calculation mistakes, because that's the only part where you all do mistake. Like see, 25 over 1.25. Now think that how should I remove this point? To remove a point, you will always put denominator as, like how many numbers are there after the point? Two numbers. So I will just put 100. Okay, now I'll write 25. I'll flip 100 over 125. Again, I'm writing here 25. I'll write the same. And this I'm gonna flip. Now, 25 times 1, 25 times 2, not 2, 5, 25 times 5. So you got 100, you got 100 over 125. 1 minute, girls, 1 minute. You got 25 times 100, 125. Okay, how did you get this? Because it is 25 divided by 125 over 100. So you wrote 25 and you flip this. So when you flip this, 25 times 1, 25 times 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Girls, if you're confused with this, simple, you have in the numerator 2500 and in the denominator you have 125. You can go with this method. So you will get the answer as 20. Okay? Any method you can choose. All right? Any question here? Following parts. That's it. Here the numerator is 72. The denominator is 3.6. 72 over 3.6. Okay. Remove the point. It will be 36 divided by 10. Miral, do you know why I write 10 here? Girls, do all of you know why do I write 10 here? Girls, I'm asking you some question. Do you know where did this 10 come from? Why did I write 10 here? Get serious, grade 7 girls. No, if you all don't participate, how am I going to explain you math? Grade 7 girls. Do everyone know where did this 10 come from? Why did I write 36 over 10?
I don't know.
Judy, do you know that?
I think it's from like the decimal.
Dana, do you know why did I write 10 here? Hello?
Because you divided it,
Because you,
right?
again, the question is 72 over 3.6. 3.6, I wrote here 36 by 10. Why?
Because you divided
What did I divide?
2. Miss?
Girls, whenever you convert the decimal 3.6 into fraction, 3.6 I want to in the fraction, I just remove the point. To remove the point, I need to divide with the number 10, 100 or 1000. Why did I use 10 here? Because after point, there is one number. After point, there is one. That's the reason I divided by 10. If you all don't know the basic, you are the one who need to ask me, teacher, where did this 10 come from? Why did you write this? It will never come in my dream. It's like the teacher is talking to the walls. Again, it is 72 over 3.6. This 3.6, I want to remove the point. When I remove the point, I get 36 over 10. To remove the point, I need to write this. Now, the numerator was 72. In the denominator, I flip them. When I flip, I get this, 72 times 10 over 36. That is 720 times, or let me do 36 times 2. I get 72. That means 36 times 1 and 36 times 2. Multiply the numerator, I get 20. I get the same answer, girls.
Okay.
That's the reason you got 20. See, girls, I can just directly say you, come on, you divided and you got 20. I'm solving each of the question for you. So that any basic question you all don't know, you can finish. Did you all copy? Shall I clear this?
Yes.
125 divided by 6.25. Dana,
Yeah.
6.25. I want to remove the decimal. So I'll write 625 over what?
10.
10? That's wrong. You will not put 10. You will put how many how many numbers are there after the point count? After the point,
Two.
how many numbers are there, is it Dana?
2. 2. 2.
2. So there must be 2 zeros. Now did you understand?
Yeah.
If there is one number, you will put 1 0. This is grade 5 what you have learned. Now Miral, did you understand why did I put 100 here? Like each one girl, I must call out the name and ask. Anyway, 25 times, I'll flip. 125. Let me do 125 fives is what? Let us see. Yeah. So 125 times 1, 125 times 5. 100 over 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. My answer is again 20. One question, the whole period I have explained you. Only one question. Finished?
No.
No.
Okay, any doubt in this question? Yes, girls, I will end up the meeting. Take care. Just tell me when you're finished, I will clear and I'll end up the meeting.
Finished.
Others?
Finish.
I'm finished.
Can I clear?
Yeah.
Thank you, girls.